enter from the hallway. We have table and chairs to the right, and then looking straight in, we have the beautiful view at the end of the living area. To the left at this point, we have the kitchen, which is a typical kitchen here at 8 Newtown with a washer dryer, hookup of course, sink, 2-ring burner, some closets, some storage, and of course the refrigerator, Electrolux standard issue, and a microwave, Samsung microwave. Returning to the living area, we have this sit-down area, of course, and then there is a partition here, a glass partition, removable right here. This can be removed, slides across along this track to separate the bedroom area. Right now there's one double bed, and the bathroom is directly off the bedroom area. We have the sink, toilet, mirrored, and shower with a full bath. What makes this condo special is of course the view from both the bedroom area and the living area. It's a view across the Mactan Channel towards Cebu city. In the distance, we have at the bottom of frame Mactan al fresco and the local church, and Cebu Mactan Airport, and then Cebu city in the distance, currently hidden in cloud. On the balcony currently is one air conditioning unit, which would likely need to be replaced. But the view is of course what makes this unit special. Mactan Channel with the passing array of ships every day. Directly below us we have Newtown Boulevard. We have the Mega World Sales Office, Mactan al fresco, Newtown School of Excellence. Across the way here we have the church and the neighboring LG Gardens, which is a complex incorporating various stores, restaurants, coffee shops, and directly in front of that is the Sebastian Hotel. In the distance you will see Mactan Cebu Airport. There's always another flight coming in here. Here we have a plane coming into land as we speak. An Emirates plane. It's terminal building right behind the plane right now. The plane with the yellow tail is a cargo plane which failed, parked there. There's one compressor unit on the balcony, but inside we have two blowers. This one in the bedroom area, and a second one in the living area. But realistically, both of these would need to be replaced.